I feel like the beach of love. Good morning, darling. The sun is shining. Rise up, let's embrace the sun. Let's walk on the beach, barefoot. Feel life, feel the caress of the breeze on our faces. On the golden horizon, the sun awakens, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink. Our footprints in the sand bear witness to the love we share, strong and beautiful. In this magical scenery, there's only you and me. Every moment by your side is a gift. Hey, my darling, wake up. Let's have breakfast, enjoy this holiday. Empty our minds of everyday problems, feel life in its entirety. Recharge our energies in the sea waters. That's where I purified myself. Last night was wonderful. Wow, we danced until we couldn't anymore. You were amazing, so romantic and perfect. The moonlight illuminated our path as we walked on the sand. Your eyes reflected the stars glowing, and I felt like a part of the universe. Every step a dance, every laugh a song. Hey, my darling, wake up, let's have breakfast, enjoy this holiday. Empty our minds of everyday great problems, feel life in its entirety. And the gentle breeze wraps around us like a hug. In this moment of peace and serenity, we are just two hearts beating in unison in perfect harmony with nature.
Hello! Okay. So, magdadrive na kami papuntang Myrtle Beach. So, our entry for summer. So, samahan nyo kami nga mag-enjoy doon sa Myrtle Beach for 2 nights and 3 days. So, see you Regency on Thursday. First rest area. So, mag-drive tayo ulit. So, nandito na kami sa aming hotel after almost 4 hours drive. So, this is our room. So, bathroom. That's my attire. Ayan. Then, meron tayong malaking fridge dito. And then, we have microwave. And this is our, is this king or queen bed size? King bed size. Mirror again. Do you like my outfit and my wife's outfit? And the best one here is our view. Look at that. Nasa beach front kami. Done. Kami ka mamaya. Kakain muna kami ng baon namin. This is our food. Yan. Kain tayo at kami magpapahinga. Kasi may init pa sa labas. Ayaw naming umitim. So, kakain muna kami. Ikaw lang yung may yung utensil. Nagbaon kami para tipid. Kasi yung room namin, ginamit ko naman yung 6 points ko. So free yung 2 nights namin dito. More than 200 din yun. So mga 15,700 points yung nagamit ko sa Chase. Busog na ko. Thank you so much. Nakatipid sa lunch. So, nandito kami sa Walmart, nagpa-gas. At nasa mura dito yung gas nila kesa sa North Carolina. Then may bibilhin lang kaming pagkain. Punta na kami sa beach. Wala ka pakatuksa o basa. That's the beach. So kami ay maglalakad-lakad papuntang boardwalk at maghahanap ng makakainan. Kung picture muna kami dito. So ito yung binili namin kanina sa Walmart. Bumili kami ng ice cream. Tapos, dalawang flavor ng microwavable na pizza. Ang ganda ng sunset. Yeah. Video ako sunset. Hey, is your travel worth it? Yes, of course. Passenger princess lang naman siya. So we drove like for 3 hours and 30 minutes, imagine. And then, nandito na kami sa South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. So, actually maganda naman. Parang, ano siya, Virginia Beach, di ba? Kaya lang, ano na, premium type yung Virginia. Premium, maraming kang mapupuntahang. Ay, kailangan namin maghanap ng ng magnet. Ref magnet. Pang souvenir. Yun yung, namin, souvenir. Every time we go to different states or interstate, pag nag-interstate kami, kailangan namin ng new ref magnet. Yan o. Yan ang boardwalk na yan o. Yan. Yan. Oops. What happened to my camera? Yan. Oops. Ngayon yung asawa ko nagmumuni-muni. Wow. Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Sino kung ka-text mo? Look at my hair. It's ruined na. Napakahangin sa labas. Malapit na po kami sa boardwalk. Malapit na. Malapit na. Marami nagpi-fishing dito. Akala naman nila may makukuha silang isda. Good luck to them. Naka almost 15 minutes walk na kami. Layo-layo pa. Model yarn. Ambok-ambok niya akong nasaway ha. Taon pa more.
So, i-compare natin ang 4 ka beaches na pinuntahan namin.
Which one did we go for?
So, we went first to Virginia Beach. So, sana gadto dito, atong ginbook nga hotel is malayo because it's too near to the date and it's too expensive. So kung dito ka, pasulod ka pa lang pakadto sa beach area, super crowded na. Tapos for party gid saya. for party pag when you go out to the streets. It's like Boracay. Oh, party goers, night goers. So even their city, meron silang mga pa-free na na what's that? What do you call that? Entertainment. So, may mga clowns, may nagkakanta in the street, may nag-orchestra, mga. Tapos merong mga restaurants, sagwa, may mga shops. So, damo shops and shop mga small basta mga shops. Then next beach nga we went to is Outer Banks. So it's in North Carolina. So when we went there, ang Tagalog, yung daan papunta doon, super scenic siya. Dami mo makikita and mabubusog yung mata mo. Pero super outskirts siya na pupuntahan mo talaga siya. Like yung daan is in the middle of nowhere. So mas tahimik doon, pero if you go there outside on the other side man sang beach, may mga restaurants, but hindi siya as party nga party place, party goers nga like sa Virginia Beach. And then the third one was Wilmington. So Wilmington is a small town. So very nice ang place. So na-preserve nila ang history. So if you go there, ang beach is next to the river adto. Is that river that there's like cruise. And then ang front ng beach, mga small resort houses. Not like Virginia Beach nga mga dagko nga buildings, dagko big hotels. So it's like private owned resort. So maganda din siya. So and the present one, we're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So sa South Carolina, it's like Virginia, pero hindi siya for like super party. So yeah, beach walk. Marami din siyang hotel and mga accommodations, but it's not as tall buildings unlike sa Virginia. And in the south. So hindi pa namin napuntahan yung other side, but parang when nag-drive kami papunta ng hotel, it's like more of woods and trees. So it's not as alive as Virginia, pero okay naman.
So among the 4 beaches that we
for the pakadto, for the way nga pakadto, I would prefer Outer Banks. Ang on the way nga road Oo, ang ganda-ganda talaga. Tapos, it's a long drive. There's a long bridge na super ganda. Then, ang daming mga birds na nagpa-fly. It's like you're in the middle of the ocean and you're in the middle of nowhere. So, pag narrate ko, maybe, it's not the first for me. I just like gusto ko lang yung papunta doon. Maybe I would prefer to go in Virginia, but I don't like the air quality there. You know.
Then you are given the chance to go back. Which one you want to take?
No. maybe another beach. So, or maybe in Florida, Miami. But I'm chasing for falls. So, Niagara.